Hey guys, this is Dutch with Mystic Mountain Homestead,
And the Sanji,
and we have some bad news for you guys today.
even though, we like to only tell you guys the good things, we've decided that we are going to start telling you guys
The good, the bad, and the ugly.
So this may be ugly, but it's definitely bad.
I was doing chores this morning, and when I found one of the baby pigs had this huge knot swollen up on his intestine areas. So I was going to wait for Dr. Quinn, medicine woman over here, to get home to ask her what she thought. I thought there was some hay or something might have been stuck down in the shaft. I wasn't for sure. This is what she thought.
So, anyways, he brings me out here to the barn, and he shows me this growth that is on his penis, on his shaft. And I originally said, well, maybe it's a hernia, because that's, what I thought of first. And then he says, well, you're so smart, figure it out. So I started Googling, and there's a possibility that this is called a piss pocket. And so or a pee sac. So we're going to follow the directions that I found online, and we're going to see if we can get some pee out of it. Some of the other things that it said was to make sure you clean the area good, because there is a possibility that what Andrew said happened, and maybe like some dirt or hay got up into his penis and caused an infection. But for the size of the knot, I don't think that's what happened. But I'm going to go ahead and wash it and check him out. And regardless of whether we get pee out of it or not, we're going to end up giving this little guy an antibiotic shot, and we'll go from there. So,
And viewer discretion be advised. This is going to be a little graphic here in a second, so I'm going to count to 5 here and give you guys a second to either turn channels or stay tuned for what's about to go on.
well, not just that, but honestly, we've researched this, but this is the first time we're actually touching it, looking at it, figuring it out. So you're right here with us while we're trying to figure out what the heck is going on.
Well, I'm going to climb in here and let's get this started.
And it's
Do
very
you
cold.
remember which black one it was?
I thought it was that one.
This one?
That's the one I thought.
Nope.
Gotta find the right piggy. That one. Okay. So I got some soap water. Okay, let's see.
Okay, make sure you finish to the side so they can see.
See how swollen? His penis looks so swollen. You can't even tell. I'm sorry. It says to squeeze it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead at this point and say that I don't think it's a pocket. Okay, so bad news just became worse news. I don't think it's the piss pocket. According to the directions that I read, if you squeeze it,
I thought they said if it was a hernia, it would pop back in, though.
well, it depends on where the hernia is.
Okay.
But supposedly, if you squeeze it, a foul smelling urine, concentrated urine, would come out. And it said a piss pocket was not painful. When I was squeezing that, what are you doing?
Well, I thought I seen another one with a spot on it.
Oh, okay. Anyways, when I was squeezing it, it was more than apparent that
That swollen? A little swollen compared to the others. It does. Yep.
Oh, that one is a piss pocket.
Let's bring it up here and show it then. Let's bring.
Okay.
I think the other one is too, so let's squeeze it in the right place, Angela.
Okay.
Okay, guys, see this? How we're really supporting here, honey.
Okay. So you're supposed to squeeze it,
Oh, do you see that, guys, coming out?
and if pee comes out,
And it stinks.
oh, that really does stink.
It does.
So why do you think these piggies all got these piss pockets all of a sudden?
Maybe there's a hay, like maybe a straw got stuck in there, a piece of hay or something. I don't know. They haven't grown hairs or something. I don't know. We can Google it. It said it could be a genetic defect.
It did say it was It could be a genetic defect. It said that
This is the one that's not cut either. See?
It said that this is actually a pretty common thing.
Let's go ahead and squeeze them out while I got them up here.
Well, I don't know
This
about.
is how you do it, guys. It says to squeeze it out is what it said. It's not pretty. Ugh. You could have never imagined in 1,000 years we'd be sitting here playing with a pig penis, guys.
Ugh. Boy, it is very concentrated.
Oh.
Okay, put him down. It said sometimes this happens to show pigs. And
They actually seem relieved
it
afterwards.
said,
You see that?
yeah, and it said that if you do it, that it won't affect, if you can squeeze it all back out, then it won't affect them being shown. But of course it says wait until show day to do that because you don't want to be squeezing it all the time because the more you squeeze, I guess it could fill up more. So I'm still a little confused about the one little guy that's
Shall I pull him back out to see, let you see it go in? Because it was the lower one that stuff came out of, not the upper hole for this other one.
Yeah, but he was in an awful lot of pain.
It's swollen pretty big. Want me to take him to the vet in the morning?
I think that we'll either going to take him to the vet or give him a round of antibiotics and call the vet and make a
Probably
decision.
both. Giving around antibiotics tonight just to be safe on the safe side. It ain't gonna hurt it none.
No. And then, so, sorry, this is kind of ugly. And throw our hands in the air.
Guys, if you guys have any help for us, if you have any suggestions, please comment,
And let us know what you think. I went on several pig forums, and I mean, a lot of people had ideas, but I'm back to thinking maybe it is a hernia, but the fact that the other piggy has it too, and they're from the same litter, makes me think maybe it's just a really, really infected piss pocket.
And we'll find out tomorrow.
Yeah, anyways, stay tuned, and we'll let you know what happens and how this goes. So until then, like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell for more notifications of when we have more videos out. And hopefully we'll be doing an update pretty soon to let you know how the piggy is.
And please share our video, guys. We are trying to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers.
And please let us know if you know what's going on with the piggy. Until later.